my channel. This is Promise Jury. Today we're going to take a walk through on how to make money online, no matter where you are. But we're going to be specifically talking about those in Nigeria. Yes, to make money online, we're going to talk about 4 good sites that can make you earn money online right to the comfort of your home. The first one I'm going to talk about is PicoWorkers.com. Yes, let's go get to it straight. Like Pico, you can see this right there. PicoWorkers.com. Let's enter. Yes, PicoWorkers.com, like they say, it says small gigs, big results. Small gigs, big results. A very straightforward site. It's legit. It's nothing like you're going to get scam or you scam anybody. No, you're going to start working and you get paid for what you work for. Like, you want to get about us, you can check the about tab and see that they have an office. Like, they have an office located at number 27W. That's about Anna Palmo Street, number 140. The Santa Barbara. It's a real site. You want to know about how they work, you can see those who are already making money there right now. You're gonna click on the freelance tab. You can see that this tab here, you see completed task, and this place is going to be changing at every moment. But right now, we see this person Dotier Tuan 32 just earn 0.05 cent. It's very simple. Now it just changed. Now this is that person right now is Safa 16. This person just earned 0.04 cent, and total earnings this person have made is, oh boy, just about 1,024.25 pounds. That's real money. That's real money. This is Safa. This is another person again. Move. And they based on different countries. This can be India or there, but it doesn't matter where you come from. You can see Nigeria, you can see India, you can see US, you can see Germany. Different people from different places are making money from this site. Yes. And there are different ways of cashing out. You can use maybe your LTC. Like if you see here, on that message you have your LTC, and if you just cash out about $5. Simple. This person, the other person there is $9, $5. If you go down, you're going to see PayPal. Another form of payment is PayPal. If you are new to internet, you don't have any problem. You can just talk to me that, please, how do I get a PayPal account? How do I get a PayPal account? Just type on the comment, please, I need a PayPal account. Or you talk to me via my WhatsApp number, which I'll provide at the end of this tutorial. I'll provide you my WhatsApp number so that you can always talk to me. You can call me anytime you want to call me. I don't sleep because making money is my hobby. I'm happy making money because when you make money, you become financially happy. You become emotionally satisfied. You become productive to yourself, and when you're productive to yourself, you become productive to those around you, to your family members, to your community, to the country at large. It doesn't matter. But what matters most is how to make the money. How to make the money. That is what really matters. And if you're making the money, how do you make it? Do you make it very well? Are you making it with a coach, or you just take risk? Well, I will not advise you to do that because working with me, you'll be happy. Look at this person. It is Nigeria. Yeah, like I said, Nigeria. Rishi just made about 0.03 cent and made about $286. You see, it's a rating, so it's not as if you have. I'm in Nigeria that they don't work. Internet doesn't work in Nigeria. It's a fallacy. It works. What matters most is how you work hard. So let's go straight to the site. Like I said, it's PicoWorkers.com. Just type PicoWorkers.com. Then the next thing you do, you go to sign up because you are fresher. The first time you enter this site, you're going to go to sign up. So when you sign up, they will require you to fix in your real name. Yes, put your real name. Don't need to fake anything because it's business. It's a real business. So like me, I can just fix Promise. Let me say Promise for now because it's my real name. Then the email address. You can look for one email address that you not used before. You can just open a new email address like me. I already have some email address I work with. Please don't be worried when you see several email accounts in my PC because that's my business. All email accounts I use in my PC are really, really important to me, and they are useful. They don't put them for fun. So like let's say you want to use this email right now. This Eric Craig. I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna copy it, then go there and use it to sign up. I'll paste it there. I'll paste Eric Craig there. Then password. Can you fix in your password? You can fix in your password. Then go to your username. Then you can use anything that like you feel is maybe your nickname that people know you with. I can just say Flow Prof as my username. Then here, this is the country we're talking about right now. Don't be scared. You're going to see Nigeria there. You can just type Nigeria, Nig. You see Nigeria. Or you can scroll down. Maybe you feel like taking a look at other countries if so that you know you're not alone in this part. So you can see Argentina, Austria. You can see Chile, China. Because of time, let's go to Nigeria straight. Look at Nigeria. You have Nigeria. Click on Nigeria, and you have to agree to their terms of policy and privacy, terms of service and privacy policy. Agree. Then it is very good to that you allow them to send you news, events, and offers through periodic email. Accept. Then what you do? You sign up. Like they said, okay, say password must be at least 8 characters and contain one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. That's simple. We just said it now. One uppercase. So let's say my password is this. Or let's say, okay, I just did that now. Then move on. Yes, we got it. You want to say cancel? Let you save it for because this is my personal PC. I can just save it. But we're taking this class for training purposes. So you say almost there. Promise. Confirm your email and be part of the community. Confirm your email and be part of the community. So let's go to my email. If they sent me any email, look at it. There's a mail there. Say welcome to Pico Workers. Let's open it, please. Welcome to Pico Workers. You have successfully created Pico Workers account. To activate your account, you have to verify your email address. Click on the following link. Just click it. No time. Yes, do not violate their principles, their rules. You can always take your time to read this out, but there's nothing. They said no use VPN proxy. Yeah, VPN means a visual private network. Don't use anything to clone to pretend as if you're in Nigeria when you're not in Nigeria. Use your real IP and don't open multiple accounts because look as if you are spamming the system. Another thing they said is that do not proposally submit fake or incomplete proof because you will be caught. Like I told you before, it's a real work. You work small and earn what you work for. And at the end of the day, you can earn large. Depends on how much time you put on the work. It's a real work. There's nothing like fake there. So another thing I want to say again, you can say, yes, I agree. The other things you can take on them, but just say, yes, I agree. And when you agree, bam, you are in for the job. You are in for the job. Congratulations. This is the first time you're going to make money online now. If you've not made any money before, but if you have made before, I think you can add this thing to one of the sites you can make money from. So they say post a job. In case you want to post a job, but right now we're looking for job opportunities. So look for find a job, and if you find a job, we're going to see other jobs like Gmarket, Skillshare, StarClicks, offer, complete an offer, join booth, sign up, and the like. So you can just come here and you see people already working. People are already working. The capacity of 99% of this job is done, and this is paying just 0.2. So people are already working. This one is almost completed to 0.15 does. You see, it's not a fake thing, it's a real thing. Like what about Upwork in Reddit? You see others working there too. So the people will give you work and they give you an instruction of what to do. They will give you a job here, give you an instruction of what to do. They just do it very well and you earn because they have to approve it. They have to approve your work before you can get your money from the system. It's a simple thing. A simple thing. So let's say we want to look for one job here. Let's say complete an offer. Alright, so say find time completing the task. Let us know more about you. So what you do, just try to fix your name, your identity, your email, yes, the date of birth. You can just fix anything. Then a security question. You can see pet name. You can see your pet name is what? Say create a security question and answer it. This question will be verified. Will help us verify your identity. Should we need to? Yes. So that's the pet question. Your pet answer should be what's your pet name? You can just say dog. Then which city is close to you? You can just say for sake of Nigeria, I'll just say Lagos is closer to you. You can just choose Lagos there. And what? Save. Good. So the next thing now is they said submit proof. And there are some other countries that are not needed here. Say submit proof. So you can just click the submit proof. Type the proof here and give me the coding after completing the proof. So once you're done, you submit the proof. Make sure that you are done with the job very well. I mean, what I mean is that make sure you've completed the job very well. Don't lie. If you've not done anything there, don't submit. So before you do any job, and try the best you can to ensure that you have finished every job that was asked you to do. If you don't know it, please go to another job. There are other several jobs, millions of jobs there waiting for you to do. So don't get yourself hooked up to one job and be to waste your time when the others are making money. This is one good site to make money online, and like I said before, you can withdraw money through PayPal or through LTC. Let's check their, if you can see something. You can see wallet here. Maybe where you to fixing your cash. Okay, you can see wallet here, withdrawals, transactions, billing. You see PayPal here. That's if you want to pay for a service right now. You can see PayPal. You can see screen. So these are you can see a BTC cryptocurrency system there. These are ways you pay in case anybody wants to give you a job or anybody wants to post a job here. You can paste your stuff here and get the others do the job for you. Or if you want to withdraw to the same pattern, it's a simple thing. Don't be worried about how to withdraw your money through PayPal or through BTC anywhere at all, because I will just be here to guide you and you have nothing to worry about. To teach you how to create PayPal account, how to verify it. Even in Nigeria here, you use your PayPal account without trace. There are some little tricks there that we use that gets our PayPal still working. These people will not tell you, but I will tell you when you work with me. Don't forget to subscribe or like. If I made any sense to you, please comment if you need anything that you want me to improve on, or just try to comment something to encourage me to show that I've made any value to you today. It's interesting. Please, it will really encourage me to give you more of me, what I have, the knowledge I have. Because to be frank this year, I've been on internet for about more than 6 years. So I know how much tutorials I've paid for, how much tutorials I've gathered to my knowledge, and these I'll be giving free of charge. Alright, let me give you the next site we want to make money from is blogging. We call it blogger.com. Blogger.com. It's loading. Alright, this is it. Publish your passions your way. You know what they call it passions? It's because this is what you want to do. You're not coming to make money. You are coming here to publish what you like. So if you like writing, if you like creativity, if you like content, come here, create your blog and publish what you know you can do. Maybe you like cooking, come here and talk about cooking. I can cook this food, I can cook porridge, I can cook this thing. These are the ways to cook it. Just share to people. And people begin to come to your page and like your page, and the next day you're already making money. It doesn't happen automatically. There are some other steps to do, but first of all, you need to create your page, then put the email associated to it. Like I told you, if I have several email accounts here, don't get worried about them. So just for the teaching purpose, you can just choose the password. You can choose the password that matches your email address. Then boom, you're in. Yes, you don't want to confirm now. Alright, so you're in. Say create your blog title. Create a name for your blog. So your blog name, maybe like we talk about, say cooking. Say cooking recipes. You see? You can just say next. Then what's the name of your address? You can just say cooking recipes .blogspot. It's said it's not available. So you can just say 443. But yes, this one is available. That's available. So you can just click next. Next, click your name, put your name, your promise. And click finish. It's processing. Yes, we are in. So you see your new post here. You can just start with your new post and say, this is what I want to do. This is about a blog. Like you can put your title there. How to be a good cook. Yes, that should be a title. And in future, I will get more expansive on this because I will teach you how to set the paragraph, how to make a good header, how to make the body. And several things are attached here, but I'm just trying to give you a rundown set of sites that you can use to make money even in Nigeria while you're sleeping on your bed. It's very simple. It doesn't take any energy. The next one to make money is YouTube videos. YouTube.com. Yeah, you can just come here to make money too. Make money from here too, even though you're in Nigeria. Upload your videos, create a content, create a channel, upload videos like what others are doing here. They uploaded videos and you see them having views. They're having views. So when you have views, the more views you have, the more chances you have to make more money. Like before YouTube gives you any approval to access your account or to any alternate system, you are supposed to have about 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. It's not difficult. It starts from somewhere. It starts from 1 view. Like I said, a journey of 100 miles starts with one positive step, one good step. So just start today and you see yourself growing up. Get your video, get your camera, get your phones, and video something meaningful, and get others watching. Before you know, you're on top. And the third side we're going to talk about is Binance.com. Look at it here. Binance.com. Binance.com is very helpful to you in case you want to get involved in the crypto world. Here you can see you buy and sell in minutes. Buy and sell crypto in minutes. It's simple. Register there and get yourself happy. It's not difficult to. All these sites are what I'm using to make money. Like I'm going to tell you right now, I am not showing you how much I'm making right now because I'm not here to motivate you because of what I've earned. I'm here to make you understand that you can make money online. You can make money online. So it is possible that you can make money from these sites. I've done it. People are doing it. Get yourself working right now today. Get yourself happy. Get yourself motivated. And you see yourself climbing up. Don't say because this person made it, so if you can make it, I'll make it. No, I'm telling you that this is working. In short, I'm taking nothing from you. It's just free of charge. These are what we paid for to learn several times, some times back, and we got the cash out of it. If we pay for it and we put ourselves in, so what about you having it free of charge? The more opportunity you have, safe. So just be happy, be motivated, and make money online from these 4 sites I just gave right now. Don't forget, the first one I talked about was PicoWorkers.com. The second one is about Blogger.com. The third one is YouTube.com. While the fourth one is Binance.com. If you need any more clarification about these sites that I told you, you can say comment on the link below. State a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to get any of the videos I'm going to give out in the future, or like, so that to improve or to encourage my skills and or my time to Then, secondly, you can always give me any recommendation. If you see anything that you don't really understand or you're not clear with or you want to improve on, please don't forget to make a comment. Then we will be working better for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Stay happy. Get ready for another video that is coming up soon, which will be updated as soon as possible.